Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Maker MKR and I will tell you my next long-term targets, my next medium-term targets and my next immediate short-term target for the Maker MKR. So please watch this video complete and please join my Telegram channel and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more informative content and very useful information. Here you can see this is the CoinGecko page of MKR and here you can see MKR is currently trading at $2,615 level and it increased 8.4% in 24 hours. Here you can see this is the market cap of Maker MKR and this is the 24-hour trading volume. Here you can see, and this is the 24-hour lower price, which is $2,304, and this is the 24-hour high, which is $3,011. And this is the total market supply of, and here you can see. Let me please show you some statistics. Here you can see in 30 days MKR gain 1.50 MKR give 155% profits to all of you, and in 1 year it give 357% in 1 year. This is very good profit. And this is, here you can see this is the market cap. Here you can see this is the dominance of total market cap, which is 0.19%. It is good. It is very good. And here you can see trading volume of MKR, and this is the 7 days low price and this is the 7 days high price. Here you can see current rank at CoinGecko is 25 and all-time high of MKR was 3011 and all-time low was 168, and it gives you 1437% profit to its holder. That is very good profit. Let me please show you some other statistics. Here you can see at February 2021 it was at $2,410 level. Now it is at 2600 and something. And if you want to trade MKR, then you can open a Binance account and or you can buy it from Uniswap or OKX and Coinbase Pro. And if you want to trade MKR at Binance, then you have to open a Binance account. This is the link in this video description. Here you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to get $600 profit bonus, which is absolutely free, then click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. This is the link of the Bybit exchange. After depositing, you can get these bonuses and you can get overall 600 bonus absolutely free. Let me focus to the chart of the MKR. Here you can see this is the MKR USD 4-hour chart, and here you can see the all-time high of the MKR was, here you can see in 4-hour Binance chart, $3,110. And let me please show you some support and resistance levels. Here you can see these are the levels. This is the all-time low of MKR. Here you can see, let me please convert it on to daily chart. Here you can see 433 is the lowest zone of MKR in Binance exchange, and this is the top all-time high is at $3,110 and price, and all-time low is 438. Let me please tell you my next immediate short-term target for the MKR right now, and for this let me please calculate, and after that I will give you. Please friends, like this video and please share this video to all of your friends who are holding MKR. And let me please tell you my immediate short-term target for the MKR right now. Friend, please subscribe my YouTube channel and please like this video too for more informative content and very useful information, and join my Telegram channel for regular updates and price actions and my current trade my current trade information. Here you can see this is the immediate short-term target for the MKR right now. For me, $4,254 level. $4,254 is the next price target for me in MKR of MKR. Here you can see. And let me please tell you my medium term and long duration targets for the MKR right now. Please friends wait and let me please tell you. Main question is that if we have to buy MKR of that price level or not. I think it is very high price of MKR right now. I think definitely it will going to hit this golden bucket, which is at 1820, or you can say $1,800 is the best price. I think you have to buy MKR, or you have to wait until it will down to here you can see. This is the next price, I think 1300. These are the two levels, price levels or price targets that I am recommending you if you want to buy or hold MKR. These are the levels. Let me please tell you my immediate short term and some medium term targets and very long duration targets for the MKR. I think we have to buy MKR from $1,800 level to $1,400 level, $1,470 level. These are two best levels, I think, if we buy or hold MKR from that level. I think this is the golden bucket at $1,800. If we buy MKR from $1,800 level, and you have to put your stop loss, I think, let me please tell you, from that level, and it is at $1,518, or you can say $1,500, you can say. And our first immediate target after that will be $2,557 level, which will give you 42% gain, and your risk will be 12%. Let me please clear, if you buy MKR from $1,800 level and put your stop loss at that level, which is $1,580, here you can see, then your risk will be just 12%, and your reward after hitting first target will be 42%. And after that, definitely it is going to hit this level very, very soon, and definitely it will give you 163%, and it will at 4,749. Here you can see, this is let me please tell you my next 3 months target, and my, here you can see, I think in this bull run it is very clear to me that it is going to hit $7,400 price target and will give you 313%. And if you buy it, if you wait and buy a MKR from $1,800 level, then definitely it will give you maximum profit. Otherwise, you can buy it from its current price, which is $2,576. Then definitely it will give you profit. This is my next target for the 3 months, $7,400 price target. And let me please tell you my 6 month target. I think definitely in 6 months it is going to hit $10,000 price target. It is the level that I am waiting for the MKR. Within 6 months, I think in this bull run, definitely it will hit 10,000, or it can go more high. And let me please tell you the target of 1 year of MKR. I think this is the most realistic and honest target in this bull run. 11,750. I think definitely it will give you 550% profit if you buy a MKR from $1,800 level and put your stop loss at $1,500 or $1,518 level, then definitely it will give you maximum gain. And if you want to join MKR from that level, let me please tell you, from that level, if you want to MKR from that level, then it will give you, our next target will be at this point, which is $3,100, and will give you 22% gain. Put your stop loss if you buy from that point, then put your stop loss at I think, let me please tell you. This will be our next, this is our stop loss. 18%, our risk will be 18% and our reward will be 22%. If you buy a MKR from $2,500 level, and if you put your stop loss at from that price, which is $2,100 level, then your risk will be 18% and your reward will be, after hitting first target, will be 22%. And after that, definitely it will give you this gain, and it will give you this target, $4,700, and it will give you 85% profit. And I think within 1 year, definitely it will give you this profit 355%, and definitely it will going to hit definitely I think $12,000 level. And within, if you buy or hold MKR for 1 year to 1.5 years, then definitely I think definitely it will give you my next target, and my target for the 1.5 years, I think definitely it will going to hit $15,000 level very clear. I think I am very clear, and I am very much certain that definitely it will hit this level, $15,000 level, within 1.5 years, 1 year to 1.5 years. These are the targets. I think the recommended price for buy MKR, I think it is 1800 or 1800. You have to wait, and you have to buy MKR from $1,800 level. But if you want to buy a MKR right now, then definitely it will give you profit, but you have to wait, and it will give you 300 to 400% profit within 1 year. This is the target. If you want to trade MKR on Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get this link. Just click on this link and create your new Binance account within just 30 seconds. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.